For more than a century, physicists have been fascinated by the concept of black holes, which gained popularity around 1916. These cosmic anomalies are among the most fascinating and mysterious phenomena we understand, sitting at the intersection of vast gravitational forces and a peculiar invisibility to our understanding. Despite decades of intense research, our understanding has expanded from nearly no knowledge to piecing together more details, with even more discoveries being made recently. A breakthrough by Michio Kaku has revealed startling insights about the interior of black holes, which may challenge our long-held assumptions and offer new perspectives on the nature of these celestial bodies. This additional information allows for more in-depth investigations into areas that may have previously gone unnoticed. Join us as we explore the intriguing realm of black holes and discover what lies beyond the universe's vast and amazing expanse. However, before we dive into Kaku's most recent discoveries, it is important to review the fundamentals of black holes. Even if the majority of us understand what a black hole is in general, there are still certain important details that were unknown in 1916. Black holes were predicted to exist by Albert Einstein's revolutionary theory of general relativity, but at the time, the idea was only theoretical. It was not until about 50 years later that there was proof black holes exist in space. This revelation occurred in the 1960s when research on the star X-1, a bright celestial body that emitted X-rays, revealed that the rays were not moving randomly, but were instead being drawn into a dense, invisible mass. This mass was later identified as a black hole, altering our understanding of the cosmos. The discovery was significant because it demonstrated that black holes were real, elusive objects that needed more research, not just the stuff of Einstein's dreams. Scientists from all over the world started a global mission to learn more about black holes after this important discovery. Although black holes are extremely difficult to locate, scientists believe that millions of these massive entities are hidden within our galaxy, making it even more important to understand them. Their efforts led to the realization that the Milky Way alone may host around 100 million black holes, though this estimate remains imprecise due to the difficulties in detecting them. Let us dissect the fundamental idea of gravity. Anything that enters a black hole's domain gets compressed into a singularity, where the laws of physics as we know them stop working due to the enormous gravitational forces black holes exert. Black holes draw everything into them like enormous vacuum cleaners. One of the most horrifying aspects of studying them is the fact that if someone were to fall into a black hole, they would gradually stretch out and turn into a unique entity. Although they are dispersed, it is better to avoid approaching one too closely because their body would be torn apart by the strong gravitational forces before the point of complete destruction. Even though the closest known black hole is almost 500 light-years away, its presence still raises serious concerns. The first clear image of a black hole, the M87 black hole, was captured by scientists in 2021. This accomplishment was the result of many nights spent taking pictures and aligning them to form a single, coherent image. As more information was acquired, researchers discovered that black holes are made up of 3 different layers, defying the popular belief that they are simply endless voids. The event horizon, the first of these layers, marks the point beyond which nothing can escape. Once something crosses it, it will inevitably be pulled toward the black hole. Because of the strong gravitational forces at work, light itself becomes trapped in the second layer, known as the photon sphere. The singularity, where all matter is squeezed into an incredibly tiny point, is the last stage. At this moment, the fundamental fabric of reality collapses, and all known rules of physics disintegrate. Even more intriguing is the fact that, although all black holes share the same basic 3-layer structure, their behavior varies greatly, making them especially difficult to understand. Because black holes cannot be studied using traditional scientific methods, scientists must examine them indirectly, by measuring the radiation they release or analyzing the gas and particles that swirl around them. Since anything that crosses the event horizon is eventually drawn toward the singularity and crushed into nothingness, sending a probe directly into a black hole is a futile endeavor. Because of this inevitable outcome, billions of dollars cannot be spent on probes that would fail before providing any useful information. Consequently, even though black holes are 3-dimensional singularities, physicists are forced to investigate them in 2 dimensions. The fact that no 2 black holes are alike makes researching them even more challenging, as we must account for the breakdown of physics as we know it. Theories suggest that black holes may form when massive stars collapse in on themselves. If a star is massive enough, this process continues until the collapsing matter becomes a singularity. This happens because as the star burns through its fuel, it can no longer produce enough energy to counteract the inward pull of gravity, eventually collapsing into a black hole. NASA researchers focused on the core of the universe, particularly the M87 galaxy, where they observed a strong whirlpool of hydrogen gas spinning at an incredible speed of 1.2 million miles per hour. The gas should have been blown apart by centrifugal force, but instead it stayed intact, indicating the presence of a massive object at the center of the galaxy, most likely a black hole, which is thought to weigh up to 3 billion times the mass of our Sun. Another important theory was put forth by New Zealand mathematician Roy Kerr in 1963. Using Einstein's equations, he proposed that a rotating black hole does not collapse into a point, as was previously believed, but instead forms a thin, ring-like structure called the ergosphere. This rotating disk of matter is crucial to understanding how physical laws break down around black holes. To understand the concept of a wormhole, Kerr's model also predicted the possibility of an Einstein-Rosen bridge, a hypothetical wormhole that could provide a shortcut through space-time, connecting distant regions of the universe or even parallel universes. Understanding the idea of space-time, as presented in Einstein's theory, is crucial. Objects with mass cause space-time, a four-dimensional fabric, to warp. The gravitational fields produced by this warping affect how other objects move. Space-time can be compared to a piece of paper. When a heavy object is placed on it, the paper bends, pulling smaller objects toward it. This bending is how gravity works, and it helps explain the strange behavior of black holes. Black holes are not just massive objects, they actively shape the structure of space-time itself. When a black hole forms, it creates an intense gravitational well that bends space-time so drastically that even light cannot escape beyond the event horizon. This warping effect influences everything around the black hole, from nearby stars to entire galaxies. One of the most remarkable consequences of this distortion is gravitational time dilation. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time moves slower in stronger gravitational fields. Near a black hole, this effect becomes extreme. If an astronaut were to approach the event horizon, an observer watching from a distance would see their movements slow down significantly. From the astronaut's perspective, however, time would seem normal. If they could somehow escape and return, they would find that much more time had passed for the rest of the universe than for them. This phenomenon has profound implications for space travel and theoretical physics. Some scientists have even speculated that if we could harness the gravitational properties of black holes, we might discover new ways to manipulate time itself. Black holes and the search for a unified theory. One of the biggest challenges in modern physics is reconciling general relativity, which explains gravity and large-scale cosmic phenomena, with quantum mechanics, which governs the behavior of subatomic particles. Black holes sit at the heart of this paradox because they are governed by both theories, yet these frameworks contradict each other when applied to singularities. Physicists have proposed several approaches to resolving this issue. String theory suggests that the fundamental building blocks of the universe are tiny vibrating strings, which could help explain how gravity functions at a quantum level. Loop quantum gravity aims to describe spacetime as a network of discrete loops, potentially eliminating singularities. Hawking radiation. Proposed by Stephen Hawking in 1974, this theory suggests that black holes can slowly evaporate by emitting radiation, challenging the idea that nothing can escape their grip. If Hawking radiation is correct, it means black holes are not eternal. Over billions of years, they could shrink and eventually vanish, leaving behind only energy. This raises deep questions about the information paradox. What happens to the matter and information that falls into a black hole? Does it disappear forever, violating the laws of physics, or is it somehow preserved? The future of black hole research. Recent advances in technology, such as the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, have allowed scientists to directly observe black holes for the first time. The first-ever image of a black hole, captured in 2019, provided crucial insights into their structure and confirmed many aspects of Einstein's predictions. Future missions aim to explore black holes even further. LISA, Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, a space-based gravitational wave observatory set to launch in the 2030s, designed to detect the ripples in spacetime caused by black hole mergers. Next-generation telescopes. Future radio and X-ray telescopes will provide even clearer images of black holes, helping us study their accretion disks and surrounding magnetic fields. Simulated black hole probes. While we cannot send physical probes into black holes, advanced simulations using quantum computers may help us model their interiors in unprecedented detail. As we continue to study black holes, we may unlock secrets not only about the universe's past, but also about its future. Could black holes be gateways to other dimensions? Could they help us develop new theories of physics? Conclusion. Black holes remain one of the most enigmatic and awe-inspiring objects in the universe. From their role in shaping galaxies to their potential link to wormholes and alternate realities, they challenge our understanding of space, time, and the very nature of existence. You make a shortcut between two spots on the page. This shortcut is what a wormhole is all about. The idea of a wormhole as a possible portal to different parts of the universe, or even different points in time, has long captivated physicists. In spite of the fact that wormholes are a theoretical concept, and there is no concrete evidence of them, they are a natural consequence of general relativity. However, wormholes are inherently unstable, meaning they would collapse quickly if created. The CR is one particular kind of wormhole. Although the idea of using wormholes for interstellar or time travel is exciting, there are significant obstacles to overcome. For example, wormholes are predicted to be unstable, and the extreme radiation and forces surrounding them would make it nearly impossible to traverse them safely. Wormholes, named after Royer, are a hypothetical phenomenon that could theoretically connect two distant points in spacetime, possibly even connecting different universes or timelines. In order to properly comprehend black holes and wormholes, detractors contend that Einstein's equations, while helpful for understanding gravity, do not take into consideration the quantum forces that regulate radiation and subatomic particles. We need a new theory. The theory of everything, which combines quantum physics and gravity, is a goal pursued by numerous physicists, including renowned scientist M. Yakubu, who has pursued it for years. One promising candidate for this theory is superstring theory, which suggests that subatomic particles are actually tiny vibrating strings. The theory proposes that these strings create the universe's fabric, explaining not only gravity, but also the phenomena surrounding black holes and wormholes. However, superstring theory also requires the existence of extra dimensions of spacetime that are so small that they are impossible to detect with current technology. Despite the challenges, the pursuit of understanding black holes, wormholes, and the fabric of spacetime continues to captivate scientists, offering the potential for groundbreaking discoveries that could reshape our understanding of the universe. Continuing from where we left off, the pursuit of superstring theory and other theories that aim to unify the forces of nature is an ongoing challenge, but it holds the promise of unlocking new insights into the very nature of reality itself. According to these beliefs, the universe consists of more than just the three dimensions of space and time that are commonly understood. Although they are so small and compact that we cannot directly witness them with existing technology, they do imply the possibility of extra dimensions, which may hold the secret to solving the deepest mysteries of the universe and phenomena like black holes and wormholes. According to the intriguing picture of the world provided by superstring theory, all matter and forces are manifestations of microscopic vibrating strings that can vibrate at different frequencies. Similar to how a guitar string can produce different musical notes depending on how it vibrates, the fundamental particles of nature may correspond to different vibrational patterns of superstrings. If confirmed, this theory would not only offer a cohesive explanation for the fundamental forces of nature, such as gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force, but it would also open up completely new avenues for understanding the structure of the universe. It may also provide answers to some of the most important questions in physics, such as the nature of dark matter and dark energy, which together account for the vast majority of the universe's mass and energy. Superstring theory is a difficult topic to test using conventional scientific methods, but its mathematical beauty and coherence make it one of the most compelling ideas in theoretical physics. At the same time, scientists are working on other approaches that might lead to breakthroughs in our understanding of black holes, such as quantum gravity. One of the main obstacles in testing the theory is that the extra dimensions it predicts are so tiny that they are beyond our current observational capabilities. To detect these dimensions, we would need instruments of unprecedented sensitivity and precision, and even then, the evidence might be indirect. Research aims to integrate general relativity, which describes how big objects like planets, stars, and black holes behave, with the concepts of quantum mechanics, which control the behavior of subatomic particles. By combining these two theories, researchers expect to better grasp how gravity functions at the quantum level, which will help them better comprehend black holes and other cosmic events. Since the extreme conditions near a black hole's event horizon, where gravity is extremely intense, require a theory that can account for both quantum effects and relativistic effects, the intersection of general relativity and quantum mechanics is particularly important when studying black holes. In fact, the interior of a black hole, where the singularity exists, is one of the most extreme and perplexing environments in the universe. Understanding what occurs at the singularity necessitates a theory that can reconcile general relativity and quantum mechanics, because it symbolizes a point where space and time become so distorted that the standard laws of physics fail. As scientists continue to explore the secrets of black holes, this has prompted the development of concepts like loop quantum gravity and other quantum gravity models that seek to reconcile these paradoxes and offer a more comprehensive understanding of black holes. There is no denying that as we learn more, we become more aware of how much we still do not know. Black holes are not only places of destruction, but are also sites of extraordinary intricacy and promise. Whether they contain the clue to unlocking the most profound mysteries of space and time, or, as some theorists contend, are portals to other dimensions, black holes continue to be an important field of research. As our knowledge of these mysterious objects advances, so too will our instruments and ideas. Looking ahead, improving our techniques for viewing and researching black holes will be the next big challenge. The discovery of gravitational wave astronomy, which detects and analyzes gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime brought on by the acceleration of huge objects like black hole mergers, has been one of the most fascinating developments in recent years. Black hole and other celestial object behavior can now be studied by scientists in previously unattainable ways. Insights into the dynamics of black hole mergers have already been revolutionized by the discovery of gravitational waves, and other discoveries are probably in store for future research. The application of sophisticated telescopes and imaging methods is another exciting field of study. An example of how innovative technology can shed fresh light on black holes is the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, which created the first image of a black hole in the M87 galaxy by merging data from several radio telescopes worldwide. As technology advances, we should be able to observe black holes in increasing detail, which will provide more insight into their structure, behavior, and function in the universe. Shadows provide a glimpse into one of the most enigmatic phenomena in the universe.